We want to solve the following equations. The first one is 5x take away 7 equals 43. So we want to get the x on its own. The first thing we should do here is add 7 to both sides. If we do that, we get 5x equals 50, and then divide both sides by 5, giving us that x is equal to 10. With this one here, the first thing we need to do is multiply both sides by 4. If we do that, the left-hand side is then just 3x minus 7. Multiplying by 4 gets rid of the 4 on the bottom because that 4 was dividing. And on the other side, we do 8 times 4, which is 32. We're then, just like the previous question, going to add 7 to both sides, giving us 3x equals 39. And then we'll divide both sides by 3 to give us x is 13. With this one, I'm going to expand brackets first. So expanding here gives me 10x, and then I'll get take away 15. Here I'll get 10 and minus 2x. The smaller number of x's is the negative 2. So I'm going to start here by adding 2x to both sides of this equation. This gives me 12x. And of course, I haven't done anything with the numbers, so I still have minus 15. On the right-hand side, adding 2x removes the negative 2x, so I just have 10. Then I'm going to add 15 to both sides, giving me 12x is equal to 25. And then divide by 12, so x is 25 over 12. So we're now told Juliet's father is 3 times as old as Juliet. If Juliet is J years old, write an expression for Juliet's father's age in terms of J. Well, if he's 3 times as old, then that's 3J. Remember, 3J means 3 times J. Write an expression for Juliet's age 10 years ago. Well, if her current age is J, 10 years ago, it would have been J take away 10. Just think about that with numbers. If you're currently 20 years old, 10 years ago, you were 10 years old. Write an expression for Juliet's father's age 10 years ago. He would have been 3J take away 10. The age he is now, take away 10. 10 years ago, Juliet's father was 8 times as old as Juliet. Write a second expression for Juliet's father's age 10 years ago based on Juliet's age 10 years ago. Well, Juliet's age 10 years ago was this, and the father was 8 times as old as that. So 8J take away 10. Your expression in parts 3 and 4, so that's the expression here and the expression here, must be equal as they represent the same thing. Form an equation and solve it to find Juliet's age. So 8J take away 10 must be equal to 3J minus 10. That gives me that 8J take away 80 is 3J take away 10. If I subtract 3J from both sides, I get 5J minus 80 equals negative 10. Add 80 to both sides, gives me 5J equals 70, and then divide both sides by 5, giving me that J is equal to 14.